What's up, guys? Thank you again for tuning in. This should be a fairly simple video. Like I always do, I'm going to be going over my M1 Finance portfolio. Again, you should expect these videos to happen on a weekly basis. Like I said, I invest into this portfolio at 100 a week at least, and I'm going to try to keep this consistent as possible because slow and steady wins the race, and I'm going to show you guys that. This is pretty much my road to financial freedom. My goal is to live off of my dividend income, and so far it's been going pretty good, and I recommend you guys do the same. I want myself to show an example to you guys of the steps it is to become financially free. It's not that hard to do. It's pretty much just put the time and the effort and you'll be able to do so. So before I even show you my portfolio, I want you guys to subscribe if you haven't and leave a like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you guys so much. And I'm gonna head over to my computer and I'm gonna show you guys what's up. All right, so what's up, guys? So over here is my long-term dividend portfolio. You guys have seen this plenty of times by now, I'm guessing. And what I'm pretty much showing you is how this progress is going to go to. Like I said, I'm going to put $100 or more into this on a weekly basis. And it's going to come out to roughly $5,200 on a yearly basis. And so this week, I'm going to be reviewing my investments and why I did so. So we're going to go to an activity. If you guys can see what exactly I bought. So today, I invested into 3 different stocks. And I'm going to be telling you which ones they are and why so I invested into them. Well, also down here you can see I've been getting dividends lately. Home Depot, Waste Management. So let's go and see my buys for today and why exactly I invested into them. So today has been like roughly a red day in the market. So let's go into ATMT. So I bought a whole entire share and a little bit more off of them today. I invested exactly $36.95 into them today. Like I said, it's a little bit higher than a share, which was a pretty good buy in my opinion. It was a good entry point. And the reason why I invested into ATMT was because they're such a long-term good company, and their dividends are very good. They pay very good dividends, and I felt like it was a good entry point, especially for a long-term portfolio. I also invested into the index fund of VT. VT is a worldwide stock, and it's always good to have a little bit of everything. And this is a very safe index fund. I feel as of. I also went into let's go to Apple. I invested $35 into Apple. And I believe I bought actually a whole entire share of Apple. I mean, I own a whole entire share of Apple now. I only invested $35 into it due to the fact that I'm only trying to invest $100 or a little bit more. And I feel that Apple is a very blue chip company. It's going to be only rising in the future, and it's a technology company. So I do see this rising even higher in the future. Let me go to Apple exactly and see how much do I own in my portfolio of Apple. Apple's over here, and I own 1.04 of a share of Apple. So I do own now a whole entire share of Apple. But Apple as itself have a total gain of $63.84. So Apple has been doing me good, obviously. And that's exactly what I invested into this week. But now I'm gonna show you my dividend tracker. And now I will be making the edits of what I bought today and edit it into my dividend tracker. So let's see if it made an impact. So it's going to edit. We're going to press how much shares of it do I have and my cost per share. So let me click over here. Let me see the number of shares I have of Apple specifically. So I'm going to go to Apple again. And my share price of Apple is $296.67. So let me put that over here. So $296.76. And then we go to the number of share of Apple is 1.04. Let me see the exact number. 1.04715. 715. Edit. And as you can see, it's making a little edit, and boom. So you can see my annual income has changed off of it. How much I own of it has changed, and my profit loss have changed also. My annual income did not change as a whole, so it probably made a small couple cents change on that. So all right, so let me go to my next one, which was, let's find it. AT&T I bought today. So let's go over here, switch over to over here. Back out of Apple, back out on that. Let me go to AT&T, which is over here. And I have my average share price is $30.55. Let me go over here. $30.55. You can see it went lower due to how I went in on a red day for them. So that was a good buy by me. So let's see. I own 14.05296. So it's a lot of numbers to remember. 14.05296. 14.05296. Let me make sure that was right. 14.05296. That was right. All right, so now press edit. And right. And then, ooh, look at that. $3 that put it up. So $201 is my annual income at the moment. That was the new fix right there. 14.05296. I just rounded it to 3, seems like. That's how much we're making annually off of the ATMT, which is very good in my opinion. Let's pick 2. Let's go to VT, which is the last one I'm going to fix up for today, which is what I invested. So let me go to VT over here. VT is down here. And I have 67.77 is my average share price. 67.77 in number of shares. Let me find that. 67.67. That's right. 2.66304. 2.66304. Let me make sure that's right. 2.66304. Yep, that's right. And press edit. And boom. So there we have it. Make sure it all went through right. Go over here. 2.66304. All right, so there you see the difference in annual income that actually went up also. And here you have it. So now my annual income is a little bit higher than about $201. Again, this is all changing depending on if the stock goes up and down and etc. So this is how it is at the moment. I'm pretty happy. Past the $200 mark. Next goes the $300 mark, and so on. Baby steps leading to big steps. Let me go back to my portfolio. And as you guys can see, let's go a quick review over how I am in the market at the moment. I've invested $4,007.40. I can't even speak. I've invested $4,714 with 6 cents as a whole. My net cash flow. One of my goals is to get that to $5,000, and we just keep moving up the ladder. My current value is $5,178 with 55 cents. And I have a total gain at the moment of $489 with 12 cents. So if I were to sell this right now, that's how much in profit I would be. So stay tuned for next week on I'll be investing these $100 into. And that's pretty much it for this video. Just keeping you guys on board of what I did and why I did it. And thank you guys for watching.